Every day me get up and hear them people up on social media now. Every day me get up and hear these pussyclad up on social media. You understand? Every day me get up and hear them bumper hole up on social media. I run off them long tongue and then dirty mouth. You understand? You see me? Cause me want to know which fool you have America. You understand? That's when we can tell them say how much money no want from how much money no want. Because you must have some fool over here, you know. If one of you have some fool on use already, you know, and they must say they come go, no, I want to set them up or something. Because I don't want to know which fool no have and not tell them say no want that a week time. You understand what I you? Yeah? But boy, me tell you something. If you rent a 1 bedroom over here so with a kitchen and a bathroom, you hear me say, a $2,000 for a month. Let me tell you something, pussy. A $2,000 for a month for a 1 bedroom and a bathroom and this little dining hall, pussy hole. $2,000 for the month. You understand? Just you look up place where you live. You understand? Cool? Your heat bill for pay, your light bill for pay, and your phone bill for pay. Check that. You understand what I tell you? If you have a car drive and you hoop on it bum buckle, like your car bill for pay too. You understand? You don't buy your food yet. But when you dirty long tongue pussy all out there all talk about, oh, we don't want no $200, we don't want no $300. Brother, you left to me, it's told me seat in there, brother. Hungry and kill the phone, you know, because the phone of a fine road there, you know. As for now, I know for to find a job for do. Because any fool you have over here, I got to get smart now. Any fool you have over here under use, I got to get smart now, brother. So guess what? You have to find a blood clot job now. Yes, you have to find a work now. You have to find a work now. Go find a work, though. And that demands things without other people pocket. That demands one of people things. That demands when you feel like you think you should get. You never send a man gun, a guy woman gun. Nowhere. You never put towards a man plane ticket. You understand? So the fuck on the demands, oh, we want this and we want that. Eh? You don't look at a job. Bumbuckler.